Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sharpen your video clips in DaVinci Resolve. So if you're looking to get the most sharpest and the most beautifulest video export in DaVinci Resolve, I'm talking top-notch video quality, follow this video. So once you're inside DaVinci Resolve, guys, as you can see here on my timeline, I have this video here of this water here, splashing onto a lemon. And this video is not the most sharpest or not the most smoothest, right? So how do you go about doing that? All you have to do, just simply go to your color section here in DaVinci Resolve. Then you want to click and blur, and then you want to look for radius. Now the trick is you want to bring this all the way down to 0.30. Keep looking at my video, guys. I'm going to bring it all the way down to 0.03 to 0.30, right? And as you can see here, guys, just about there, have a look at my video. How amazing is that? If I play this video again, you will see how sharp that video is. Let's watch that video play again. Look how sharp the video is. So guys, the trick is, if you want to get the best quality of your video in DaVinci Resolve, go to click on blur, then you want to reduce the radius to 0.30, and that's how you get the sharpest video clip in DaVinci Resolve. Now once you're done and you're satisfied, you can always go to deliver, and then you can export your video quality. You can switch this to 4K. As you can see, I have my preset set already, so export the format gonna be in MP4, and I'm gonna export the resolution to 4K. So that's gonna make it even more amazing. Have a look at that. I'm gonna play back this video so that you can see the quality that I'm about to export. How amazing is that? If you found value within this video, guys, give this video a like and let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.